Today we're making a froggy headband. For this craft you will need some colored paper and some drawing utensils, a ruler, some scissors, some glue stick. You'll also need some tape and a marker and crayons, but these are optional. First, we're going to draw 2 thick strips for your headband. Use a ruler if you want to be precise. My strips are 5 centimeters thick. To draw the frog's head, we will draw a half circle to touch the top strip. Next, add 2 smaller half circles on either side of the frog's head. These will be the frog's eyes. Erase the lines of the head where the small half circles meet the head. Then draw your frog's eyes. These can look any way you like. Mine are going to be big circles. When you're finished, you can draw the rest of the frog's face, a nose, and a mouth. You'll have to erase the line for your top strip to do the mouth. Add some frog arms, and then, if you'd like, use a marker to outline your drawing. This step is optional, but if you do so, you might want to erase the pencil markings when you're finished. For the frog legs, fold a new piece of paper in half. You can draw a single leg on one side. When we cut the leg out, we will have an identical leg. If you're worried about the outline, you can outline the rest of the leg after you've cut it out. Cut out your headband. To attach your frog legs, fold along the edge and then glue them in place. This gives a 3D effect. When you're finished, you can attach your headband together with tape. And that's it. You're finished.